I always wanted to do it because it sounded like a challenge. And our yoga teacher, during our yoga teacher training, had some really good stories about it, so we got more interested and decided to do it.
Before you started practicing, what kind of stress or challenge were you experiencing in your life?
I think the biggest challenge I was experiencing was anxiety.
Okay. After practicing meditation here, what change have you noticed in your life? Yourselves?
I would say more calm and less responsive to certain situations. More capable to calm myself down and don't respond.
How has learning to observe your thought and emotional help you in daily life?
It has showed me that my brain has a lot of emotions in a short period of time, and that I can control that, and also that if you push one thought away, another thought will just come back, and it's just a continuous process.
When you feel stress, anger, or worries, how does meditation help you respond differently?
It helps me to think now anger, or stress, and in that way pushing away the thoughts, or acknowledging the thoughts, and by that allowing other thoughts to come in and not respond or overthink on it.
What surprise are you most about practicing Vipassana?
That I was able to sit for 55 minutes without moving.
How have the teacher and the temple environment support your practice?
The teachers were always super helpful. Also the monks who were supported the teacher. The accommodation was really good. There was washing supplies everywhere, and the food was also quite good.
If someone feels unsure or nervous about coming to practice, what would you say to encourage them?
I think what seems scary about the Vipassana is the very long meditations, but you will start with shorter ones and slowly but surely increase, and every time the last 5 to 10 minutes feel the worst, like every single meditation. So even if you're increasing the time, it will not get much worse or much better. So if that's what you're scared of, you don't have to.
So the last question, why do you think learning to understand the mind is important in today's world?
I think in today's world, especially with social media and Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all these things, we are very distracted very easily. And with Vipassana meditation, we allow ourselves to be more calm, more insight, and less distracted. So I think for anyone who grabs their phone every 5 minutes to look on Instagram or something, it will be very useful to do other things than that.